Hello everyone, my name is Frank. Welcome to Detailing Dogma, your real-world detailing channel. Today we've got an unfinished touch-up paint that needs some love. I'll show you a few easy steps to level the paint safely. You'll need some sanding disc and a polisher. If you don't have a polisher, I want to encourage you to invest in one as soon as possible. This is nothing to be afraid of. Before sanding the touch-up area, I like to measure the paint just so we have a baseline. Now today I've got 7.38 mils, which is a fairly high value these days. First step, obviously, clean and decontaminate the paint with a clay bar, and then start the sanding process with 1500 grit or 2000 grit. You can use wet or dry sanding disc. Today we're using the dry method. If you're just starting out, I recommend you get some sanding block, but today we're doing this on the fly, so I don't have any. I like to start the sanding process with 6 to 10 strokes and go from there. By the way guys, we've placed some blue tape on the sticker so we don't hit it with the sandpaper. And then grab 3000 grit and use double the amount of strokes, but slightly wider with the sandpaper. That'll make the polishing easier and look better. Now the touch-up paint isn't perfect to begin with, but it'll blend much better with the rest of the paint. Let's grab a 3-inch polisher with a Lake Country foam-backed wool pad. Those are my favorite, heavy cutting pad, and pair it with Last Cut Plus and you've got quite an arsenal. Check out that wool pad. So we've got some red residue on it. It's because this paint has a tinted clear. So that would explain why the paint thickness is so high. Tinted clear will have a different layer that will leave some red residue, some colored residue, just like a single stage paint. Okay, we're almost there. Since we've got a bunch of marring and trails from the cutting phase, we'll use a Rupes yellow foam paired with my beloved Sonax Perfect Finish. 2 or 3 quick passes. By the way, Sonax Perfect Finish has one of the most pleasant wipe off I've ever experienced. And guys, look at the reflection of the light. The paint is flawless. This red is popping now. All right, so there you go, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question, feel free to type them below. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.